Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to cook omena. This is omena. So first of all, we are going to add some hot water. We are going to wash our omena until it is clean. So you want to eat something clean. So you are going to wash this omena 3 times until you get a clear water. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So just follow and enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment the video. If you are new, you are most welcome. So let us cook together. Let us first clean this omena, then I'm going to show you what to do next. So we are almost there. As you can see, this water is so dirty. This is the first round of washing the omena with hot water. So we are going to drain the water, then we are going to wash again for the second time. As you can see, the water is so dirty. Yeah, so we are going to drain it and then wash for the second time. Make sure you get clear water when you have finished washing your omena. Now for the second time, we're going to wash again with the clear water. We have drained the first water. Now this is the second time you're washing again your omena. Make sure you are stirring your omena until you get that clean omena. So let's do it again. Now this is the second time we are washing. So you can see also the water is not yet clear. So we are going to do for the third time. Then we are going to see if you are going to get the clear water, then we are good to go. Let us continue watching and continue washing. So you see this guy, this is what I'm talking about. Still our omena is dirty. So for the third time, also add your hot water, add your omena, continue stirring until you get that clear water. You want to eat something clean. So let us continue. So guys, the reason why your omena is always bitter is because you don't wash it properly before cooking. And some people usually prefer boiling the omena before frying, but as for me, I don't always boil my omena. I just like it that way. After washing, I just dry it for a little bit, then fry it immediately. But some people usually prefer boiling, so that is a choice. So if you want to avoid that bitterness in your omena after cooking, just wash it properly, then let it dry with a little bit water, or maybe you can boil if you want. So omena is so clean here, as you can see, ready to be fried and cooked. It's going to be delicious. So in your pan, don't add anything yet, not even water. Just put your omena like that, let it dry. You will stir it and let it dry for a little bit before adding oil. So let's do it. So it is drying. Then we are adding salt. Before even adding oil, I'm going to add my salt and then continue stirring it and let it dry. There we go. This is now perfect. It is not yet completely dried, but this is what I want, guys. So you're going to stir until you reach at this point. So after this, you're going to add our oil. Remember, we added salt before, so we're going to add only oil a little bit of oil. If you want more, it's upon you. So, and then we are going to let it cook. See that? Now it's just perfect, but we're going to leave it for a little bit. Just let it dry now until it all turns golden brown. Yeah. So there we go. This is now well done. Everything is golden brown. At this point, you're going to know you have done a good job. So we're going to continue with our cooking. I'm going to show you how to do also wet fried. This is now only fried omena. I'm going to show you a wet fry, and also I'm going to show you a stewed fried omena. So stay tuned and continue watching, guys. Our paste is now ready. So I added this is tomatoes with some onions only. So it's now ready. We're going to add our fried omena, stir, and that is it, guys, for the wet fried omena. This is so delicious, guys. You need to try this recipe. This is so delicious. If you have never known how to cook omena, just follow this video from the start. It's very simple. This is with no spices, guys. I've not added any spices, only I've added salt. Yeah, this is so delicious, very simple, something that you can do. So if you've never cooked omena, here you go. You're going to follow this simple step, and you will go there. So we are going to add water for the stew. If you want some stew, just add water after doing the wet fry. Just add your water if only you want stewed omena for maybe some babies, who can't chew the omena and need some soup. It's very nutritious also. Yes, you're going to add water, let it boil for a little bit, and then you're good to go. Our stew is now ready. So this is our fried omena. We are going to eat it with ugali. No spices added. It is only salt. So guys, you have to try this recipe. Just your omena and ugali with no spice, no onion and anything. So the next one is our stew. For those who love some stew, here you go. So delicious. A very simple recipe with no spices. Just your onion and your tomato, and you're good to go. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have reached this far, I'm so humbled. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Until the next time, bye bye.